I think I finally understand why some people keep getting good Temu rewards, while everyone else keeps saying it's fake. And honestly, it's not because they are using Temu differently, it's because they are using the wrong codes. I tested a bunch of random Temu free gift methods first. Different videos, different working codes, different tricks, and most of them completely useless. Some gave tiny discounts, some didn't change anything, and a few felt like straight up recycled clickbait. Then I tried the code that's on screen right now, and this was the first time the app actually felt different. Not slightly better, completely different. The second I activated the code before browsing, the app instantly started showing bigger coupon bundles, extra discounts, bonus reward offers, and the free gift section finally unlocked properly. That's when it clicked for me. The problem isn't usually Temu itself. The problem is people are using random expired codes that don't trigger anything valuable anymore. Because before using this code, my offers looked basic. Normal shopping, weak discounts, nothing exciting. After using it, the app suddenly started stacking deals together. And honestly, that's the first time the rewards actually started feeling worth it. I even tested it again later using a random code from another video. And the difference was obvious immediately. Smaller offers, no stacked coupons, almost no free gift progress. That's why I'm saying this directly. If you're going to try one code, don't waste time with random ones online. Use the code on screen early before browsing anything. That's what actually triggered the better offers for me. Now, obviously, this doesn't guarantee some insane free reward instantly, but compared to every other viral method I tested, this was the first one that actually changed the app experience in a noticeable way. Better discounts, better rewards, better coupon bundles, everything. Try the code on screen once before browsing and tell me, did your offers instantly get better too or not yet?